up YouTube? It's your girl Jazmine Tania. By the title of this video, y'all know what I'm doing. So ever since I uploaded my iPhone unboxing, y'all was asking me to do a what's on my iPhone. Y'all know I didn't transfer everything over, right? But that's cool because I ended up customizing it, and then you know it's cute now, so I can show y'all. So before we get into this video, if you're not subscribed, join the gang, okay? Period. And if you already subscribed, welcome back, period. But okay, so I customized it, and y'all know I'm like in pink right now, so it's like pink as like it's pink. But yeah, before we get into this video all the way, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it will be somewhere in the screen right now. And yeah, let's get into this video. The noise y'all hearing in the background is my fan because it's hot, but okay. So I'm gonna start this screen recording and we're gonna get into it. The first thing y'all are seeing right now is my lock screen. Basically, you see the date at the top in the left corner. Then you see have a good day. If y'all want to know how I did that, let me know and I will make a customization video for y'all, period. But yeah, under that y'all can see the time, and then you see the weather, and then it's like my reminders on the right side was a film what's on my iPhone. That's what I'm doing right now. And then edit that, and then it says upload what's on my iPhone, but I ain't get to that yet because I'm filming it, you feel me? But the next thing y'all see, these are my notifications. I was showing love to a YouTuber, she hearted it. And then Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter notifications. Yeah, y'all see it. But okay, so then my actual home screen, this is what y'all see. So it's the calendar, it's pink, it's like a pastel pink. And yeah, underneath that it is FaceTime. I got everything organized in like little boxes as y'all can see. But the first little box y'all see is called TV. These are the TV apps that I got that I watch stuff on, like Hulu, Netflix, Tubi, and then the CW. I'll be watching All American and Homecoming and stuff on there. It's good. If you ain't watched that yet, y'all should watch it. But then the next folder y'all see is the YouTube folder, and that's everything I use for YouTube on my phone. But basically it's YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is everything. If you want to be a YouTuber, YouTube Studio is something you need to check all your analytics. So yeah, as y'all can see, I just uploaded the unboxing video. That's right there, literally like last night I uploaded it. But yeah, the next thing y'all see is the YouTube app. If you ain't subscribed, go subscribe, period. The next app y'all see is this app called Fonto. Basically, Fonto is this app you can use to create thumbnails on, and I use that sometimes. But yeah, the next app as y'all see is my camera. Y'all know what that is, I ain't gotta tell y'all. And the next thing y'all see is this widget. It's money. Basically, I got that right there. Everything that y'all are going to see on my phone is basically stuff I want to happen like now, like ASAP. Like I need some money flowing. I want some money flowing. Y'all see the money? And then with the camera right there, basically I'm saying like I'm gonna record more, you know, upload more for YouTube. So that's what that is. And then the next app y'all see is Maps. I'm not showing y'all because y'all not gonna see my location. The next folder y'all see is the daily use folder. That's something I use like every single day, that I check every day. And what's in there is Messenger, you know, for Facebook. Snapchat, if you want to add me on Snapchat, my Snapchat is Jazmine Tania. But yeah, then it's Facebook, then it's Instagram. My Instagram will pop up down below. The next app y'all see is Twitter. This is my Twitter account. You can follow me if you want to. And yeah, the next app y'all will see is TikTok. This is what's on here. And then the next app is my mail. Yeah, if you want to collab, email me. It will be down below in the description. The next folder y'all see is the money folder. Basically everything I use money wise that I can download and get money from, that's what I got. But as you can see, it's Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, my bank, and then my wallet for my phone. And then the next screen y'all see is this little quick screen I put together because it wasn't much to put on this side of the screen. But Yeah, the first widget y'all see, it say live your, and then it's the plane. Live your freaking best life. Basically, you know, I would cuss, but I can't. But basically, the folders y'all see on this side, it's random stuff. Like, y'all want to see that? I guess y'all want to see that. It's all boring stuff, but it's my calculator. It's the Shop app. Shop is the app that you can track your packages on. That's what I use. Then I got Amazon, and then I got WhatsApp. WhatsApp is like it's like a phone app. You can talk to like people that's not in the United States on the app. Then you got the music app. Let me show y'all my little playlist, my little songs. Okay, all this stuff is old. I need to update it, but as you can see, I got the music app. And then Flow, I got Flow. Flow is a period tracking app, and yeah, if you a girl, then you know about it. If you a guy, you wouldn't know. And then the next app is Indeed. Indeed is a job app. If y'all don't know that, then you're probably too young. And Pinterest is an app where you can basically get a whole lot of inspiration stuff from. Like, look at it. Y'all see what's going on. I basically be on Pinterest. I'll be looking at nails, tattoos, or hairstyles. That's basically what I use Pinterest for. And then the next app is my Gmail. The next app is Notes. I write stuff down in there. And then it's Reminders. Then it's Podcast. Then it's the Apple Store. App Store, I mean, that's what it is. It's the App Store. You can download apps. Then it's the Health app. That came with Apple. And then it's the Tips. Then it's the Watch app for my Apple Watch. If you got an Apple Watch, you could download that app and customize your Apple Watch on there. Then it's the Translate app. The Translate app, it's pretty self-explanatory. Then it's the DTE app. I'll be paying the DTE bill. The Witchesmith app is what I use to do like the camera and the money signs and the live your fucking best life. That's what I use for that. And then I got Find My. Then I got Tinder. And then I got My Metro because that's the phone company I got, and they got an app. So yeah, I want Metro by T-Mobile. Then I got Hungry Howies because they be sounding good sometimes, and you know, DoorDash sometimes it's not on DoorDash. So yeah. Okay, so the next little folder y'all see is this folder. It's called Pickup, and basically that's like Uber and Lyft. That's what I got in there. And yeah, y'all know what that is. Next folder y'all see is called Shop, and what's in here is Amazon. Then it's this app called Shop, and then Shein. Basically all those apps is what I use to shop on. That's why it's called Shop. You get it? Yeah, okay. And the next folder y'all see is called CEO. Basically everything in this folder is like what I use for my business, like Big Cartel, and then Stripe and ShipStation. Those are apps you can track your payments on, and then stuff like that. Let me show y'all what Big Cartel is. I'm gonna go to my orders. I don't have no orders unshipped. These are all my orders that's been shipped. Like, I got a lot of orders, but this is for my edits page. But yeah, that's what's on my iPhone. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it will be somewhere in the screen. I know this video is kind of all over the place, but you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and if you're not subscribed yet, join the gang, period. And if you're already subscribed, thanks for returning, and